Welcome to This Week in Wheels, car content from across the web. This artist on Instagram uses AI to generate retro and futuristic concept cars. If you've ever asked yourself what a retro BMW X5 would look like, or a Rolls-Royce crossed with a Toyota Yaris, you should check out their Instagram page. Here's a video of the upcoming electric G-Wagon doing a tank turn. Last year, Mercedes announced the EQG concept, an electrified G-Wagon. It has 4 electric motors for electric all-wheel drive, along with really weird retro promotional materials.
What are your thoughts?
This car really epitomizes the merger of state-of-the-art off-road capabilities.
It's scheduled for production in 2024. This car tries to make an illegal pass just before a sharp corner, resulting in instant regret and karma. This UK-based company converts classic cars to electric vehicles, like the Porsche 356, Land Rover Defender, and Jaguar E-Type. All kits require minimal modifications to the car and are allegedly reversible. They are now coming to the United States in Vermont and Texas. Battery range varies by vehicle, but seems to be in and around 150 miles. In March of 2022, Virginia banned squatted trucks, or trucks with their front bumper at least 4 inches higher than their rear bumper. This trend started in North Carolina, where it is also banned. Squatted trucks make it hard for drivers to see the road, other drivers, and pedestrians. This car salesman went viral for bussing it all the way down in front of what is clearly a Mercedes. Thanks for watching, I really appreciate it. Subscribe for more and be sure to share this video with other auto enthusiasts.